welcome back to Bloom and Grow's YouTube channel. My name's Annie and I run this tiny little flower farm. I thought I'd take a video of what it's looking like now. It's changed a lot again since the last video. We're just into June now. Yeah, so basically what I've been up to lately is boring jobs. So pulling out all of the old dead flowers and summer crop, they're all pulled out now. A lot of weeding and a lot of rehaying all the beds, which I had help with, which was great.
Mommy.
And constantly looking after these little chickens.
Little chickens.
Hey, are you copying me? Come here. You say hello.
Hello, Cruzy.
Hello, Cruzy. Alright, off you go. What was I saying? After I was rudely interrupted by my little helpers. Yeah, so what else I've been doing lately? A lot of planting seeds, planting out seedlings. Yeah, just letting stuff grow for spring, which will be really nice. I've got my biggest lot of spring flowers in this time, so yeah, that'll be fun to see how they go and when they'll start to bloom. I'm like still testing and trying and don't really fully know what I'm doing, so just keep having a go and see what happens, but I'll take you around a little bit so you can see the change, especially from the last video. It's fully different, but yeah, come on. Alright, so over the right side of the field, it's all been freshly hayed, looks great. Got some new little bushes in here, just a couple more trees down the end there planted. Down here got some feverfew growing. This is a new one that I've tried, Veronica Skylar. It's like purple spikes. I'm not sure, I think it's perennial, so might come back. Anyway, that's why I put it over this side, just in case it does. And then this side I've got some yarrow growing, which will be great to have in bunches and for drying. It's really good. But not much else in here. It's all been pulled out and just rehayed for now. Over this side in the beds, it's actually a beautiful sunny day today. I've had some pretty overcast, cloudy rainy days. So it's a beautiful day to get outside. In this bed, I've got stock growing, and I'm excited to see what this turns out like. I think stock is so beautiful. If I could grow it, I would love to. And it's already way bigger and better than last year. Last year did not go well. It was just in poor soil and planted late, and yeah, it only grew as high as this and started blooming, whereas I don't think this will bloom for a bit, hopefully. And then in this bed I'm testing out delphiniums. Now it would be really cool if these could grow. Yeah, so this bed is mainly just delphiniums and some larkspur I've started from seed. And yeah, I'm excited to see how these will grow. I've never done them before, and I also think they're pretty amazing. So yeah, hoping they'll go well and produce some nice ones for me. Esther, stop it. And just some snapdragons in that bed, and in this bed over here, more snapdragons. can never remember what colours I got, but I guess we'll find out. And over here, amongst some rubbish, is something else I haven't done before. Poppies. I'm seeing how they'll go as well. They're really whimsical and beautiful, so I'm hoping that they will. This one's just like kind of come up out of nowhere, so I don't know. Sure, I don't think they're meant to start flowering yet, but I think they've still got a fair bit of growing to grow, but they're just shooting up a couple small ones. Anyway, all testing. What have I got in here? Oh, a few leftover larkspur that won't fit over there. Can't really see. Another flower I've planted that I haven't done before is sweet peas. And I actually got them done in time this year and in the ground, and they didn't get like flooded like last time and stuff, so excited to see how these go. And I actually have walls for them to climb up, just using these like temporary fence panels, and they should just climb, and these will be strong enough for them to climb up, and so they'll add a real nice like fragrance to bunches and be really pretty as well. What's the matter, Esther? Do you need a poo?
No.
Okay. Yeah, nice and tall as well, so I'll have to keep. Some days things are easier to get done than others, and some days the kids don't want to leave me alone, but that's okay. It all gets done eventually and works out somehow. Hey, Esther. But yeah, that's the sweet pea runway. Flower field progress at the moment, and everything that's happening here so far. Just looking forward to spring and having flowers again and picking flowers, doing all the nice fun stuff, but can't get that without all this, so yeah, just gotta look after it, help it grow now. Anyway, thanks for watching. Thanks for following along. I guess I'll see you in spring when I have flowers again. That'll be nice.
I'm leaving home for the coastline, someplace under the sun. I feel my heart for the first time, 'cause now I'm moving on, yeah, I'm moving on. And there's a place that I've dreamed of, where I can free my mind. I hear the sounds of the season and lose all